Welcome to the Basics Hub. If you're looking to spruce up your home without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today we're sharing 10 must-try dollar store hacks that will enhance your home decor and organization. With just a few inexpensive items from your local dollar store, you can create stylish and functional solutions for every room. Let's dive in. Hack number 1, stylish storage bins. First up, let's talk about stylish storage bins. These plain bins can be easily customized. You can paint them in your favorite color or cover them with decorative contact paper for a chic look. Label them with chalkboard labels for easy organization. Hack number 2, DIY wall art. Next, let's create some stunning wall art using dollar store frames and canvases. You can use leftover fabric, paint, or even wrapping paper to fill the frames or canvas. Mix and match different sizes for a gallery wall effect. Hack number 3, decorative serving tray. For our third hack, we'll turn a simple serving tray into a decorative piece. Paint it in a bold color or add some decorative knobs to the sides for a unique touch. Use it to organize items on your coffee table or as a centerpiece. Hack number 4, faux plant arrangements. Let's brighten up your space with faux plant arrangements. Simply arrange faux greenery in decorative pots or mason jars. You can even add some pebbles or moss on top for a more realistic look. Hack number 5, customized coasters. Next, let's make customized coasters that match your decor. Use paint or stencils to create designs on cork coasters. You can seal them with Mod Podge for durability. Hack number 6, magnetic spice jars. For our 6th hack, we'll create magnetic spice jars. Attach small magnets to the lids of these jars and fill them with spices. Stick them on your fridge for easy access while cooking. Hack number 7, DIY candle holders. Let's create beautiful candle holders using glass jars. You can wrap twine around the jar or paint it in your favorite color, then place a candle inside for a cozy ambiance. It's such a simple and fun project, don't you think? Hack number 8, bathroom organization. For our 8th hack, we'll organize bathroom essentials using caddies. Fill these caddies with toiletries, makeup, or cleaning supplies for easy access and organization in your bathroom. Hack number 9, DIY picture frames. Next, let's make DIY picture frames that stand out. Paint picture frames in bright colors or add embellishments like washi tape or stickers to personalize them. Hack number 10, seasonal decor. Finally, let's talk about seasonal decor using dollar store items. Use items like faux flowers, ribbons, and ornaments to create centerpieces or wreaths that you can change out with each season. Today we've explored 10 amazing dollar store hacks that will enhance your home decor and organization without breaking the bank. These simple projects can make a big impact on your space. If you enjoyed these hacks, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more budget-friendly DIY ideas. What are some of your favorite dollar store hacks? Share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Remember, creativity doesn't have to be expensive. Happy crafting!